Hey guys, what's up? What do you do? Welcome to our channel. If you are new, please take a second, go down below and hit the subscribe button and click the little bell button, then you don't miss any kind of videos when we post. So let's talk about today's video. Kolkata, the city of joy, is a city with myriad colors. The city has so much to offer in terms of history, culture, art, science and technology. Many know Kolkata as a sleepy and lazy city, but there is no end to its fascination. There are so many fun facts. The city of Roshogolla and Machel Jhol. Today we will talk about some of the amazing facts of Kolkata. The second most important city after London. Yes, that was Calcutta. It is said that Calcutta, the then capital of BIC India, was the second most important city in the British colonies all over the world after London. Major universities, economic industries and other major institutions were constructed here. The largest tree in the world. If anyone asks you, where is the largest tree in the world in terms of area cover, then your answer should be the Great Banyan Tree at Botanical Garden. Another astonishing fact for you, the tree is over 250 years old. That's insane. This tree has been witnessing the richness of Bengal. Kolkata's trams and hand-pulled rickshaws. Asia's oldest electric running trams is not in Mumbai or Delhi, but only in Calcutta, operating across the city since 1902. It's not just the trams, but Kolkata is the only city in the world where you can ride on the hand-pulled rickshaws, running on the streets since the British times. Largest second-hand book market. Kolkata is surely a paradise for bookworms. It houses the country's largest second-hand book market and world's second largest. Another reason why flocks of bibliophiles come to this city. National Library is the country's largest and oldest public library. The oldest polo club in the world. Right now, India might not have such a name in the world of polo. The world's first polo club was established by the British in Calcutta in 1858. Since then, there have been many competitions and the advent of Europeans to popularize the sport further. This sport was especially famous among the royals and the Nawabs of Bengal. India's oldest port. Being a coastal city, sea trade has always been popular here. Situated in the central west area of the city, it's known by Khidirpur Port, is the oldest port in India. So, this wonderful fact just adds to the old world charm, which remains the main attraction of Kolkata and makes you want to cherish the city even more. If you like our videos and want this kind of videos more, then please like, share and comment down below.
কিচ্ছু চাইনি আমি আজীবন ভালোবাসা ছাড়া